Auto-fix error code 0x8007003b. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find Terminal or Windows PowerShell Admin. Click on it. After you do that, you'll find this kind of screen here. Copy-paste this code as shown on the screen. After you've typed in everything, press on enter. It will work, and after you do that, restart your device. After you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. This is Auto-fix error code 0x8007003b. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.